Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show everyone how I made this attractive and delicious jollof rice. It's just some simple steps that I followed and it came out very delicious. So I start by heating oil in my pan. Then I'll add some chopped onions into it and I'll fry it for 2 minutes before I add my chopped tomatoes into it. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'll stir this together and I'll cover it to fry for 7 minutes before I add my tomato paste. This is an old-fashioned way of making jollof and it's very great. There are no spices or natural herbs in it. It's just my onions, tomatoes, tomato paste, fish powder, salt, and seasoning cube. I'll be adding that pretty soon. So I have my fish powder here, my salt, and my stock cube. I'll give it a quick stir. I'm not adding pepper because my baby Halila will be eating some. You can add pepper to yours and it will be so great. So after adding my tomato paste, I allow this to fry for 3 minutes. Then I've added some water into it again. So I'll just give it a gentle stir, then I'll cover it, and when the water starts to boil, I'll then add my washed rice into it. I remember growing up, this was the way we make our jollof. We're not adding all these spices that are now in use, and everything was so lovely and great for us. But if you have spices that you want to add to your jollof, you can add it, and at the end of the day everything will be nice. After adding my rice, I have given it a quick stir and I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I just open it up and I'm just making sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of my cooking pan. So I'm just turning it gently. I'll add water again before I'll cover it to cook for additional 10 to 15 minutes. And after this 15 minutes, my rice will be ready. I'll be glad to see your comments in the comment section below, and I'll also be putting the list of ingredients that I have used in the description box below for you to follow. So my rice is cooked now. At this point, I'll turn off the flame and I'll serve the food for the whole family. This is so attractive, delicious, and it's just everything. It's cooked well. Now let me serve my food. With these simple steps elaborated in this video, I believe you'll be able to make yours for your family and friends. I'll be glad to hear from you when you try it. Have an awesome weekend. See you next time on this channel. Bye.